Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be decanting liquid latex from a tub into a polish bottle. I've got this liquid latex Fashions off of eBay. It's about 4 ounces, I think. I don't know. And I'm going to just pull the seal off of it and get it open. I am wearing gloves today because I don't want to, mess up my mani. I've got an old empty nail polish bottle and I've got the brush wiped off and I'm going to pour some pure acetone into the bottle. Probably about a halfway full. You're going to do this a couple of times. I am making quite the mess. That's why I have the gloves on. I'm going to screw that lid back down and shake it up, shake it up, shake it up real good. I'm going to continue shaking it until, I think I've gotten most of it loosened up. Now, I personally believe that this video is kind of like a no-brainer, but I wanted to show people how I do it. I'm going to wipe that brush off, and then I've got a Ziploc baggie with a paper towel down in it, an old used paper towel, and I'm dumping that acetone in there, and then I'm going to close it up, and then I'm going to put some more acetone into the bottle, and you just do this until that bottle is clean, and you are going to want to let that bottle dry out. You don't want any of that acetone left down in there when you apply or pour in the latex. So I'm screwing that lid on tight again and shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. And we're going to shake it all up and get it all off of there. And I do save old nail polish bottles for this very sort of thing right here. I just, you never know. I've had polishes break before. So I'm going to pop that brush out. And I'm kind of inspecting it, seeing how well everything's going. And I'm going to clean the base of that brush off as well. Just going to take some more acetone and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just going to clean up that neck of that stem and the base of it and try to get all that polish off of there. Sometimes you can pop these back into the caps real easy, and other times you just got to do it, another way. You're going to want to clean around the neck of the bottle. Get anything you can see and inspect it. Make sure you're happy with it. And there we go. We got a clean bottle. I'm going to go down into the cap as well. Just run that through there. And I think I'm going to have to get out a Q-tip. Put some acetone on it and dig down in there. I just want it clean. Just as clean as it can get. Just as clean as I can get it. I don't know that it would really matter. Now this one's not snapping down in there like some of them do. Some of them do really well. So I'm just going to put it down into the bottle, screw it on really tight, and it's going to mush that brush back up into the, into the cap. Now I'm going to open my latex up. I've just got a little old bathroom cup, one of those little cardboard cups, and I'm going to pour a little bit in here. Whatever you don't need, you can pour back into the latex tub. But I like this because you can pinch the cup and it kind of makes like a little funnel for you. I have done it other ways. I've used straws, I've used other things, but this just seems the easiest way to me. Poured that extra back into the tub. There is a tiny bit of waste, but nothing too drastic. Get that lid on there really nice and tight. And then I'm going to go clean up my lid with just one of those no lint-free wipes. And I want to clean up that tub around the edges so that I can get a real good seal, and I'm going to seal it up very tightly so that no air gets in there. And now I've got my little bottle ready to go. So I've made me some labels to label this. You can label it any way you want. I'm cutting the label down to where it'll fit on the bottle really well. And I like labeling stuff, and I've got a couple of label makers, and I just go crazy labeling everything. So here we go. We're going to start with the first label. I split it in half. I wanted to print it big so I could see it real easy, and so I've ended up with 2 labels instead of just one. And you can put a piece of tape on there and write on it with a Sharpie, or however you want to do it. There we go, lining that up. I'm going to rub it down. There we go. Nice and ready to go. So here we go. Got nice brush. And I liked this bottle. I picked it because I liked the shape of the brush. You get a wide path of latex around that nail. So I wanted to show you how well this works. This is such a good deal off of eBay. I can't remember what I paid for it. I'll try to put it on the screen here and or down in the description. And look, it's all dry and it just peels up so easy. Love this stuff. I've had it before and just got around to repurchasing. So here you go. Let me know what you think about this. That is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.